Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got this puppy right here, and this is a high-speed, handheld, folding design fan. Okay, guys, this right here is normally going for $24.99, but I got it on Amazon during the Amazon Prime for $19.99. Okay, guys. So I got this right here because it's been hot outside. And don't get me wrong, I see people with these, and this is nice. I do like my neck fan, but this right here is way smaller than this. Something that you can carry inside your book bag, your pocket, yeah, the small pocket size, your purse, smurse, whatever you carry. All right, guys, so before we get to the eagle eye view, I'm going to go ahead and give you some of the details with this, okay? And this color, I think this color is the black color. As you can see up here, it's black color. And let's go ahead. Mini portable handheld turbo fans. So this has a turbo setting on here, okay, guys? Small but quiet. Small, sorry, but quiet. Mighty, whisper, quiet, long-lasting, 5-speed, high-velocity, rechargeable battery fan. Personal fan for outdoors travel, gifts for women and men. Okay, guys, I was away maybe 2 weeks ago, and I was in a place. Now, they had air conditioning, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't enough air conditioning for the amount of people that was in the place. So, you know, I had my little fan going on. I got my fan. I'm feeling good. And this young lady bought out one of these. Now, it was a little different than this. And hers was bezazzled out. I mean, it has stones on. It's kind of a little heavier because it had the stones. But that thing put out some major windage. Okay, I put that thing up to my face, and you just saw, like, when you stick your head out the window and you know you're going real fast. Yeah, that's how my face looks. So I was like, let me see if I can get one of these, because sometimes, don't get me wrong, I do like this and this is comfortable, but you might just need something like this. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it, and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Eagle eye view, and this is how it looks. All right, guys, I don't need no unboxing knife with this one. This is how it came from Amazon. All right, when you get into the low prices like this, it ain't gonna come with much. So let's see what it is. We got this. Okay, we have this. Okay, so we have the papers over here. We have a lanyard, so you can put it around your neck. Okay, there we go, lanyard. And then we also have this right here. USB A to USB C. And then we have the unit itself. All right, guys, this is the black unit, as you can see. This is was from iFunSky. So, okay, you get a flexible head. And you, what's these right here? Oh, this is nothing. Oh, okay, this is where the lanyard goes right here. Okay. All right, so you have this right here. Okay. You have the, I guess these are on and on, off and on. Well, that's a plus and minus right there. I do like the flexible head. The way you turn it on is from this button right here. This is on and on. This is your fast speed, but you have to hit the plus button to turn it on. So I do like this. Now, I do like this a little bit, the way it's designed. Little thing. All right, so why don't we go ahead and look at how it looks charging up. All right, we're going to use the wire that came with it. There you go. That's how it looks. Looks like it's fully charged already, but that's how it looks when it's charging up. well, just take this one off. We'll put this on. This is rapid charging, LG fast charging. As you can see if it can handle it. There you go. Still can handle it. All right, let's use this. Then we'll go ahead and use the anchor real quick. There we go. All right, one more time thing, guys, because sometimes you ain't gonna have that around. You're gonna have something like this. All right, we're gonna see if it works with, as you can see, it's on. All right, guys, that's how it looks. Charging up. All right, guys, we're gonna go see how much it weighs compared to the neck fan. The neck fan is 321 grams. Okay, and then you have the iFunSky of 109 grams, which is a difference of 219 grams. So this is 219 grams lighter. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. And so to turn on, what you need to do, you have to press this. There you go. So you have to do a quick press, guys. Okay. So you have to do a quick press, not a long press. So it's on. It's on. So now I'm gonna put it close to the mic so you can hear it. Now, is it quiet? No, it's not really quiet. I don't know why they say it's quiet, but it's on. All right, just go turn it up a little bit. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is how loud it is on 5, guys. This does bring out quite a bit of air, but we're gonna go ahead and test it real quick. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this out here like this. I'm gonna hold the corner so you can see, because you can't see it little like this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pop it on. As you can see, it's moving. That's on level 1. Level 2, you see, a little bit more. Level 3, level 4, and level 5. So as you can see, it does work. So it does work, but it's just a little loud. If you're in a quiet space, everybody gonna turn around and be looking at you like, "Hey, can't be having that in a quiet space." But if you're in a place where they're using microphones and stuff like that, you just need to cool yourself down. This will work. Now, it's not got the best build quality. It's all plastic, but it will work. So we get to the regular view, guys. I'm going to sit up here and test this out for about a half an hour on level 5 to see how long the battery lasts. Right now, you can see it's all the way charged up. It's at level 5, and as you can see, probably you can hear it as well. So we're going to see how long, how much the battery decrease in about a half an hour. All right. It's been about a half an hour, and look where it is at. I'm trying to get, it took 1 dot off, so it's pretty good. And I left it on 5 for about a half an hour. So, you probably get about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours out of it on level 5, probably longer on level 1. But there you go. As you can see, it is still going. Yo, I'm back to give the iFunSky portable folding fan my thoughts and give it a grade. Hey, guys, I do like it. Now, my only problem with it and they shouldn't have never said quiet. Now, is it quiet? You turn on, something's that small, but as you get up, if you take this into the library, they're going to tell you to shut it down. Shh. But other than not being quiet, it really does work. And I'm going to put this, I'm trying not to hit the mic, but it does have a neck strap that you can put on. And you can, have it on like this. And you can angle it. Now, what I did do, as you saw, I tested it for half an hour and it only lost 1 bar in that half an hour. Okay, guys. So I left it on 5, left it for about a half an hour, and it was still going strong. Okay, I think it might be able to go for about an hour, maybe no, half an hour, maybe 2.5 hours, 2 hours. I would have to fully test it. So, guys, I really do like it. My only thing is, I wish they wouldn't have said quiet because it's really not that quiet. But as you saw, as me, when I did the test with this, it did blow it away. So it's very good. So, some people do like this. Don't get me wrong. I do like this one. And this one is kind of loud too. Once you get to high speed, I hope you can hear it. Once you get to high speed, it can get loud. But I think if you want to be discreet, yeah, you can put this in your bag, but it takes up a lot of room. But this right here, guys, is light, nice battery, nice size. And I put it on my desk, and I would just had it turned up to my face, and you could use it just like it blowing to your face. You can have it on the side of something, pointing down, it will blow. So I do like the versatility of it instead of just having the one that is just in a fixed position. So, guys, I'm going to give it a B plus because I think if they say quiet, it should be quiet, okay. But if they didn't put that down, I would have gave it an A. It's really good. It's for $19.90, for $19.99, it's worth it, okay. Even at $24.99, I think it's still worth it. Okay, guys. Hey, before you go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new, current, and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech. Thank you for riding with me on another unboxing journey. Okay, guys, and do me a favor, please hit the notification bell icon wherever it is on the screen so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. You have a good day, guys. Peace.